This isn't exactly his. It's kind of, it's in a way his, but not really. Build me a layout for brand building on self-assessment and understanding, right? And then use examples. So this is what ChatGPT spits out. So creating a layout for brand building focused on self-assessment and understanding involves outwitting strategies, boom, 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 boom. Now, it's called the SWOT analysis, right? So boom, first, brand identity development, right? So the objective is what? Define the core elements that represent the brand's identity. Then it jumps into activities. What kind of activities to work? Develop a brand mission statement and vision. Identify your brand core. Boom, boom, boom. Then it gives you an example. So like in Patagonia, focused on sustainability, environmental responsibility, which is reflected across all its communities and product lines. So it's a brand. Patagonia is a clothing brand. So target audience analysis, right? So the objective is what? Understand who your brand is speaking to. You want to find out who you're talking to, right? So basically what I did was I went ahead and made it the life a lot easier. So it's conducting market research, just kind of telling you exactly what to do. Go and analyze the needs, right? And then an example, Spotify uses data analytics, right, to understand user listening habits. So that's how it generates different types of music. So then it jumps into competitive analysis, correct? So then objective for that is identify your position in the market, boom, against your competitors. So, perform a SWOT, analyze competitors' brand strategies and the market presence, identify gaps. So if you kind of go through this brand messaging, visual branding, so it kind of breaks the whole everything down for you, in just layers. Like it even brings up Zappos. It's a well-known shoe company. Continuous, evaluation and adaptation, implementation, timeline and matrix. So this right here is basically, it just gives you basically the whole breakdown of how to do it. So that's why ChatGPT is making life a lot easier for a lot of people. And I really don't want people to be afraid of it. I want people to embrace it. That's why we developed this community. It's called School. It's a free community that you can come sit down and chat with like-minded people about not only AI and ChatGPT, but everything that's going on in the world. Somewhere to get stuff off your chest. We'll be bringing in guest speakers, talking about the AI, talking about ChatGPT, and talking about life. So if you have something on your mind and you have something that you are looking to just get off your chest and have questions about, that's where it's all about. Come join us in our free community. Click on the link down below, and then join us there, and then also smash that like button so we can get you all hooked up and set up. So again, just to go over everything one more time, we use ChatGPT4, the paid version, just $20. And simple prompt I used was build me a layout for brand building on self-assessment and understanding, right? And then use some examples. And that's what it did. It basically broke everything down all the way, how to build it out, how to do everything, right? So I'm going to go ahead and throw another one in here. So, I always say thank you, right? So thank you. Please expand on the above. Oops. So there you go. To expand initial layout for branding assessment and understanding, we'll dive deeper. So now it's going to dive deeper into it. So brand identity, this is incredible. So this does everything for you. So that's what I'm saying. Don't be afraid of this thing. Get in here, play with it. You can use ChatGPT 3.5, but it's not going to go as deep as the ChatGPT4. So as you can see, it's diving deeper into it, right? So right there, brand identity development, mission statement. It even gives you a mission statement. Brand personality quiz, competitive analysis, brand messaging and positioning, detailed activities, action steps, and still going, man. Vision branding. So it's still rolling through. So I'm going to pause it, let it do its thing, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so we're back. So then here it goes, just action steps, branding. I mean, it goes all the way down to vision, and then customer experience engagement, continuous evaluation and adaptation, and then boom, it gives you all the steps. Then it gives you right here, by expanding on the initial layout with these detailed strategy and tools, there it is. It just gives you everything you're ready to go. And then you always want to say thank you at the end of it. Always say thank you, okay? It's going to say you're welcome, whatever. But use this, get used to it, jump in our school, let us show you how it works, let us give you some prompts that are everyday prompts that you can use to ask questions. It'll make your life so much easier. Again, I just want to do a quick little tutorial on that so you guys can see the well, not the difference, but how ChatGPT really works. Yeah, join us in our group, guys. We're looking forward to having you there, and go ahead and smash that like button. Cheers. Talk to you later.